Recently, I decided to build an automaton. Now you may be asking yourself, what is an automaton? This is an automaton. It's got gears and pulleys, and when you crank the handle, the little man moves. Oh, and he looks like me too. Now I didn't film the building of this, but I did film a video showing you all the moving parts and how it works, and I'd love to show it to you. So why don't you come along with me and let's get started. As the crank of our automaton is turned, the rotating shaft spins gears and a pulley, which in turn move linkages and belts to make our mini tinkerer raise and lower his board and the saw blade spin. These are the gears specifically that move mini tinkerer. And this is the linkage that goes up through the bottom of the platform that connects to his shoulder that makes him raise up and down. Our saw blade is cut out of wood, and to make it move, we use a pulley and a belt system. The belt is actually a rubber band. It was the best thing I could find to make it move. It's driven off of this pulley at the end of our shaft. You can access it through this door in the side of the saw. And while the saw is not an exact copy of mine, it's a very close representation, complete with an aluminum top and a shop fox fence. Mini Tinkerer is made to look like me, from the black pocket tee to the khaki shorts to the white socks and gray sneakers. And if that killer physique doesn't give it away, his bald head and glasses leave no doubt. The box that he's standing on is made out of oak. For the top, I chose a piece with a lot of spalting in it. The bottom of the box is assembled with box joints. And this crank handle I turned on my lathe. And now here's one more last look of all the details of our automaton. Well, I'm really pleased with how this little fella turned out. It took a lot of trial and error and making it up as I went, but I think the final result is what I had envisioned in my head. I appreciate you watching till the end of this video, and if you think I've earned it and you haven't done so yet, I'd appreciate your subscription. It helps my channel grow and it would mean a lot to me. And if you liked the video, give me that thumbs up, and why don't you leave me a comment. Let me know if you've ever built an automaton and what you think about mine. Well, I guess that's it for this video, and I hope to see you on the next video. And again, thanks for watching.